so excited to be back to Germany. I see so many familiar faces in the crowd. Ich bin sehr froh, wieder in Deutschland zu sein und euch alle sehen zu können. Ich sehe Freunde aus Köln, Hamburg, Berlin, Mannheim, and of course, Kaiserslautern. Where are you guys? So my name is Sangwa Rwabuhihi. I lived for about 10 years in Germany, first of all as a student, and then as an IT professional. At some point in time, I felt like something was missing. The train was leaving at the same time every morning. The bread tasted the same. Ntabwo numvaga nuzuye nk'uko Madame Mushtyo yabivuze neza. So I decided to come home. It's been 3 years now, and it's been an amazing journey. The first thing that struck me when I came back was how much was happening. Everywhere you go, in every city, in every village, in every small town, something is happening. And that energy, that vibe, was so unique that I decided to stay. I learned so much in the last 3 years, but just allow me to share 3 things with you. The first thing is that you will not understand everything from day one, and that is fine. You see, Rwanda is not just a country with borders and an anthem and a flag. It has a particular spirit, a particular essence, and you need time to learn that again. So it's okay. I actually got some mentorship from some incredible people, and that helped me a lot. The second thing is that as much as you need to be consistent with your purpose, make sure that you're a bit flexible with your norms and your methods. The reason I'm saying this is we have a particular history. So the solutions that we have for our problems might seem unconventional. But guess what? We as Rwandans have decided to set our own norms and to redefine what is conventional and what is not. The third thing is that you need to be audacious. We like to set the bar high, we like to dream big, and we see ourselves on the front seat. And actually, if you want to start a business, Rwanda is a great place where you can start small, think big, think Pan-African. We have a new free trade agreement among African countries, and I think this is the right time to take those opportunities. Well, starting a business is not easy. You need to do the right market research. You need to understand your market. You need to talk to everyone. And sometimes it's even better to take a job. You also need to understand aspects of compliance. You need to understand regulations. You need to have the right teams. Sometimes work with universities so that you have the right pipeline of talents. Well, the good thing and the good news is that there are organizations out there that are there to help you. I'm the manager of the Westerwelle startup Haus. It's an organization that is supporting entrepreneurs coming from all over the world. We have about 15 nationalities in Kigali. When I walk around the space, so it is an entrepreneurship center, and it has different programs it's providing in terms of mentorship, incubation, workshops. And when I walk around the space, I hear Swahili, I hear Kinyarwanda, I hear Dutch, German. People are coming from all over the world, and they're following the Rwandan story. And every time I'm asking myself, but what are you doing? What are we doing? If the world is coming to Kigali, why shouldn't you come? Murakoze cyane.